Hello, have you ever thought of creating an online course and make money on autopilot without being overwhelmed? If yes, then this course is for you because you are about to discover a step-by-step system to launch your first awesome online course in 7 days or less and get your first 1000 students quickly. Hi, my name is Abhay Sharma and I am the creator of several best-selling courses and have over 27,000 students in more than 160 countries. And I have created this training for anyone who wants to launch their first online course without getting overwhelmed or being distracted. In this course, you will learn a step-by-step system to finalize your topic, your course name, create your course outline quickly using a proven template, learn about the different types of content that you can create for your course, best ways to record your course, edit your course, publish your course, and finally get the first 1000 students. Also, I explain the mistakes you should avoid. Also, we talk about the myth people have about creating an online course, and I'm gonna break all those myths so you are all ready to launch your first awesome course in 7 days or less. Plus, I invite you to join my community and get help at every stage in launching your first awesome online course. Feel free to look at the course description and also the previews available on this page. When you're ready, go ahead and click on the button to enroll, and I look forward to seeing you inside.